So if you're responsible for maintenance on your steam system, if you're practically maintaining your steam system, or if you're running your steam plant, this is an absolutely fantastic course. Every day on this course, we take you into our practical area where you can practice maintenance on a steam system. For example, you would fault diagnose and maintain pressure reducing valves. You would fault diagnose and maintain steam traps. We'll review how condensate pumps work and we'll conduct maintenance tasks on that, just as a snapshot of what's on our course. Because it's a City and Guilds accredited course, which is really good, it does mean that there's a little assessment at the end, practical and theoretical. But we will take you through from start to finish everything you need to know to be successful on this course.